Get comfortable in your own skin, first of all. If you can do that, you can deal with most of the other things that you're going to encounter in life. But if you're off kilter and unbalanced constantly, and you have to deal with all the other problems that life throws at you, it's difficult. So get comfortable in your own skin. That means come into balance, know who you are, speak your truth, don't worry what others might say about you, even if they say negative things, unkind things, jealous things about you. Don't let it get to you. It's on them, it's not on you. Choose not to react to negativity that others throw at you. And that's a hard thing for people to learn. But once they master that, once they are comfortable in their own skin, then whatever people throw at you doesn't affect you, doesn't bother you. You can go on with your life, and you can steer your life the way you want to and not have others steer your life. You're in control of your ship. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul.
Powerful words.
I like to interact with people because the way they interact with me tells me sort of where they are at. How comfortable are they in their own? Are they troubled? Are they having lots of difficulties? And they hide a lot of internal stuff by being friendly and open and so on. And I can read that. So I like to interact. And when I come across someone who is genuine, who is fairly comfortable in their own skin, then it makes it so much more pleasant to interact with them, you know.
Yeah.
Because the other ones, it's difficult to get to have a meaningful dialogue with them because they're struggling with stuff. And you don't, it's like you're invading their territory. You have to be very careful, you know, because they're hiding themselves from the external world by putting on a good face.